Okay, again, am I audible? Can you hear me properly? Yes or no? Can you hear
Yes.
me? Okay. Okay, so for this afternoon, we're going to have a review on land breeze, sea breeze, monsoon, natural disasters, and greenhouse effects. And then after that, we are going to answer the quiz on page, the quiz on your book, that is 1 to 15 on page 230. Okay, so let us start with the land breeze. Okay, can you still remember what is a land breeze? Yes or no? Do you still remember what a
Yes.
land breeze is? Okay, so listen carefully. So it is a wind that blows mostly at night. It blows from land towards the sea. During the night, warm air from over the oceans will rise and cool breezes will blow towards ocean as a land breeze. Okay, this is the picture of land breeze during the night. Okay, so as you can see, look at the arrow, class. Can you explain to me? Can you explain to me the picture? We can explain that once again. You did that during our class, right? Yes, Ami? Or Guy? Raise, just tell your name.
Can I
Yes,
do
Guy.
that?
Yes, Guy. During the night.
During the night, cool air above land moves down. Cool air moves into replace warm air. And warm air above water moves up.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So that is the land breeze. So the air above the land is cool, right? And the air above the sea is warm. So what will happen next? The cool air above the land will move to the sea and then to replace the warm air on above the sea, right? And then it will rise up, it will go back again, go back in cycle. Okay, so that is during the day, during the night for land breeze. Another one is the sea breeze. Okay, when you say sea breeze, it is a wind that blows mostly during the day. Okay, it blows from sea towards land. Okay, sea breeze from sea towards land. Okay, anyone who can explain to me how does the sea breeze move from land to sea? Can anyone explain to me? Anyone? Can anyone explain how does the land breeze work or the sea breeze work? Raise your hand, please. Tell your name first. Let's see if you
อ
can
ธิ
still
บาย
remember.
อธิ
Anyone?
มีไหมคะใครจะอธิบายให้ทีเชอร์บ้างคะต้นกล้าเอาไหมคะลองไหม
Anyone? Okay, I will ask questions. Okay, if there's no students who will volunteer, I'm gonna ask questions. So, is the look at the air above land. Is it hot or cold?
Is hot.
What is the temperature of the air above land? Is it hot or cold?
It's hot.
It's hot. What about the air above the water? Is it hot or cold?
It's cold.
It's cold or it is cool. So what will happen if the water above the air above water is cool? Where will it go?
It will go to the land.
It will go toward land. That is right. So the cool air above water will go towards the land. That is why during the day, when we are at the beach, it is very hot. Okay? And the water is cold. The sand is hot, the water is cold. Okay? So, next we also have what is this? Can anyone tell me what's this?
Monsoon.
Monsoon. Okay, so we have the monsoon. What is monsoon in Thai, by the way?
มรสุม
Mm-hmm. Okay, so monsoons are strong winds that change with the seasons. Okay, listen, I should say, with the seasons. Okay, take note of that. Monsoons are strong winds that change with the seasons. Okay, a monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing or strongest winds of a region. Monsoon are winds which bring rainfall into the country. Okay, so we have two kinds of monsoon, right? Can you tell me the first one?
Southwest monsoon.
First, the southwest monsoon, and the second is northeast monsoon. Okay? So, when you say southwest monsoon class, it is a summer monsoon. For northeast monsoon is the winter monsoon. Class, take note. Take note. When you say southwest monsoon, in this type of monsoon, the wind blows from sea to land. Okay, remember, sea to land. So what is sea to land? Is it sea breeze or land breeze?
Sea breeze.
Sea breeze, that is right. And for northeast, the wind blows from land to sea. Basically, it is land breeze. It is the same with land breeze and sea breeze. What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference? The
The
difference is
monsoon
they bring rain
clouds.
fall. That is right. They bring rainfall. I know. They bring rain billones. They bring rain together with them, with it. Okay? So, next, after monsoon, we talk about, okay, so I'm gonna show you first. This one is the southwest monsoon. So as you can see, the air together with the rainfall goes from sea towards land. Okay, that is southwest monsoon. And for northeast, you can see that the air together with the rainfall blows towards the sea. Okay, so that's the difference between the southwest monsoon and the northwest or northeast monsoon. Okay, next. After that, what was our next topic after monsoon?
Natural disaster.
About the natural disasters. That is right. So, can you tell me? Can you tell me what natural disaster is this? It's
Flood.
it's
Flood.
flood. That is right. So flood is an overflow of water that covers the ground or dry land. So we also said that there are two types of floods. What are those types? Can you tell me?
Flash fall and river fall.
The flash flood and river
River
flood. Okay,
River
now
flood.
can you tell me? Can you tell me what are the causes of flood? Just one cause of flood. Who can give me? Who can give me? I can see all of you. Who can give me one cause of flood? Bike. Relax, bike. You're very relaxed. Bike, can you tell me what is one cause of flood? Bike,
ต้องตอบหน่อย สาเหตุที่ทำ
what
ให้เกิดน้ำ
causes flood? Okay, who can help bike? Green wave. Green wave, you want to help bike? Okay. Green wave, can you tell me one cause of flood?
Heavy and long rainfall.
Very good. When we have very heavy and long rainfalls, it will cause flood. That is right. Okay, next is we have landslides. Okay, what is landslides? It is the sliding down of a lot of soil, rocks, mud, trees from a hill or mountain. Now, can you tell me, okay, who can tell me one cause of landslide? Mew? Mew?
Mew
Mew, can you tell me one cause of a landslide? What causes a landslide?
บอกเหตุผลที่ทำให้เกิดแลนสไลด์หน่อยค่ะดินถล่มอ่ะ
Mm.
สักข้อหนึ่ง
Okay.
idea.
Okay. Mew, let's ask for your classmate. Who can help Mew?
May.
May? Okay, May.
Here.
May, come on, May. Where's May?
No, me. Me.
Omi. Okay, let's have Omi. Omi.
It can cause. It can cause after the tsunami or earthquake.
Yes, that is right. After other natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, right? That can cause landslide. Okay, Mil, say thank you to Omi.
Thank you, Ami.
Okay, next we have Earth. What is this? Earth. Earth.
Earthquake.
Let me say earthquake. It is the heavy. Very good. It is this heavy shaking of the ground caused by movement in the earth. Okay, under the earth. Okay, so can you tell me what is the cause of an earthquake? Can anyone tell me? Only one cause of earthquake. Let's have Nene. Nene, please. Yes.
Earthquakes are caused by nature and sometimes by what humans do.
Okay, that is right. It is caused by nature and sometimes by what humans do. Large rocks called tectonic plates move under the earth, okay, earth's surface, and then as they move, they twist and bend. If they break, they will give out energy that shakes the ground. This is called an earthquake. Okay, so number 4, we have, what is this? What is this? Tsunami. Okay, tsunami. Okay, so who will talk next? So tsunami, it's a long and high ocean wave caused by earthquakes or landslide in the ocean. Okay, so let's have Plang. Plang, can you tell me what causes tsunami?
Tsunami are caused by earthquake or landslide in the ocean.
Okay, that is right. So, if you don't know, there are earthquake or landslide also under the sea and also volcanoes under the sea. So, if those natural disasters occur under the sea, it will cause tsunami. It will cause the water to rise up on land that causes tsunami. Okay, and it is also very dangerous for those people on the beach or beside the ocean. Okay, and what is the number 5? What's number 5? What's number 5? It's the coastal erosion. It is the removal of rocks on the land near the ocean, and the rocks can be removed by ocean waves and storm. Next student, we have Tankla. Tankla, what causes coastal erosion? What causes coastal erosion? It is caused when?
It is the removal of rock on the land near the ocean. Rock can be removed by ocean waves and storm.
Okay, you can see that on page 212 of your book. 212 of your book. Okay, it is
It's
coastal
called
erosion. Okay.
monsoon,
Storms,
storms, and water waves break
break rocks on land
on land
near
near
the ocean. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Tonkla. So that is all about the natural disasters. Now, let's have the greenhouse effect. You still remember what is the greenhouse, right? Of course, this is our last topic. I am sure you still remember what are greenhouse effects. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now can you tell me what is
Yes.
greenhouse effect? Can someone tell me? Okay, let's have Rain. What is greenhouse effect, Rain? You can see that on page 217 or 216. Come on, guys. Greenhouse effect is what? Okay, let's hear it from Rain.
Greenhouse effect is the warming of Earth when the sunshine it warm up to the Earth. At night, Earth cools, setting heat back into the air. But some
Okay.
of the heat is trapped by gases in the air. This keeps the Earth warm and helps with the life of all living things.
Okay, thank you, Rain. So greenhouse effect is the warming of the Earth. It happens when greenhouse gases in the air trap heat from the sun. This makes the Earth warm and fit for living for us humans, animals, and plants. But too much greenhouse gases in the air will cause global warming. Okay, can you give me one example of greenhouse gas? I want green wave is finished. Sorry, green wave is finished. Let's have Bua. Can you give me one greenhouse gas?
Teacher, last week I have a vaccine. I didn't
Oh
study.
yeah. Okay. I got it. Okay, so let's have uh, Supanat. Supanat is EQ, right, teacher? Okay, EQ. EQ. Can you tell me example of one greenhouse gas? Okay, who can help EQ?
EQ ลองยกตัวอย่างก๊าซที่ทำให้เกิด greenhouse effect หน่อยสิลูก
Okay, let's have
Teacher,
deer. Deer. Okay, deer.
carbon dioxide, teacher.
Carbon dioxide. Very good, deer. Okay, what else? Aside from carbon dioxide, what else?
EQ ลองช่วยกันหน่อยเร็ว
Bike. One more bike. Aside from carbon dioxide, what else? What are other greenhouse gases? A bike. Bike.
ไบ
Bike. Okay, aside from carbon dioxide, what else? We
มีอะไร
have
อีก เยอะแยะเลย EQ ตอบมาเร็ว ช่วยกันไบ EQ นิสามา
Okay, I will go back to you bike later. Okay. Bunisa. Okay, aside from carbon dioxide, what else? Can you give me more greenhouse gas? What is, okay, just tell me what is N2O. What is N2O? Nitrous?
Nitrous oxide.
Very good. Okay, N2O is nitrous oxide. Aside from that, we also have methane. We have chlorofluorocarbon, water vapor, ozone. Okay, so next. This is the to sum up the greenhouse effect. Let's watch this video again. Okay, everybody watch.
Hello friends! Today we're going to learn what is the greenhouse effect. Have you ever heard of it? The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon which makes... Why do we talk about the greenhouse effect? Do you know how it works? Now you're going to understand it better. A greenhouse is an enclosed structure made of plastic or glass used to grow crops, flowers, or plants inside the greenhouse to warm it up. This way, we manage to maintain temperature and humidity in optimum conditions for plants to grow. The same effect is produced on our planet. How interesting! The Earth is surrounded by the atmosphere, a thin gaseous layer which allows part of the solar radiation gases called greenhouse effect gases, whose mission is to absorb part of the energy received and maintain the temperature of the planet. One of the main greenhouse effect gases is CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. Over the past centuries, gases like CO2 in the atmosphere became more abundant, and for this reason, its capacity to the rising of the planet's temperature, same as in the greenhouse. But the increase of these gases is very bad for the Earth. Why have they become more abundant in the atmosphere? With the Industrial Revolution, CO2 emissions started to rise owing to the use of fossil fuels like coal. Cars or airplanes produce great amounts of CO2 emissions. Wow, look at all that smoke in the sky! Similarly, a great part of the energy we consume is generated by using fossil fuels. Every time you leave the lights on or any electronic device, you're sending more CO2, another source of CO2 emissions. To produce plastic, for example, we use fossil fuels and we need a large amount of electrical energy to do so. Did you know that the textile industry is highly pollutant? Intensive farming is also responsible for greenhouse effect gas emissions. Wildfire. As a consequence of the greenhouse effect and the rise in global temperature, the Earth is changing. For this reason, water shortage, desertification, the disappearing of lakes, or even sea level rise are becoming more and more common. Worse consequences are predicted in the future if we some viable solutions at hand like recycling, using renewable energies, electric transportation, or reducing plastic waste. Would you like to find out more?
Okay. So when we say greenhouse effect, it is natural and it happens every day. Okay, it controls the temperature on Earth and makes living things to live well. It makes temperature during the day and at night to almost be the same. Also, class, it controls different seasons on Earth. But in the world today, some of our actions make too much greenhouse gases. For example, burning trees, coal, and fuel gives off too much carbon dioxide. Another example is growing too many animals. Okay, refrigerators and air conditioners. Also, nitrogen fertilizers and burning fossil fuels give off too much nitrous oxide. Now, there are also ways to reduce greenhouse gases, class, right? And we have mentioned this on during our discussion. Can you give me, okay? Oh, okay. This is the question. What are the ways to reduce greenhouse gases? Can you give me one? Can you give me one way to reduce greenhouse gas or greenhouse gases? Okay. Anyone? You can see that on page 222. What are the ways to reduce greenhouse? Yes, Omi?
Use the refrigerator that do not have CFC.
Very good. You can use refrigerators that do not use CFCs, okay, to reduce the emission of chlorofluorocarbon. Very good. Okay, what else? Aside from, thank you, aside from using your cars, using fuels, you can also, what?
Use vehicle to that do not use fuel.
Very good,
For
guy.
example,
Just like bicycle. Okay, you can use vehicles and do not make use of fuels just like bicycle. Also, we can reduce the use of plastics. Also, we can reduce, recycle, and what is the other R? Reuse. Okay, so those are the ways to reduce greenhouse gases. So that is all about our review. Now, are you ready for our activity? Are you ready for the activity, for the quiz?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody
Yes.
please open your books to page 230. I think it's 230. Yeah, 230 to 231. Did you find it? Did you find it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
yes.
if this meeting will stop, I'm gonna send you another link, okay? Okay, so number 1, everybody, get your pen. Please show me your pen. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I can see. Bike, I cannot see you. Rain, I saw you. Guy, I saw you. Mew, where's your pen, Mew? Pen and
แป๊บนึ
book.
งนะคะครูกำลังให้น้องไปเอาหนังสือให้ค่ะ
ใครเอ่ยหมิวเหรอคะ
Where's your book?
หมิวเหรอคะ
กำลังให้น้องไปหยิบหนังสือให้ค่ะ
โอเค โอเค
Okay. Okay, so if everybody's finished, or if everybody's ready, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's start with number 1. Okay, number 1 question. Do you want to read it, or I'll be the one to read? Okay, let me read it for you. Okay, number 1. Which is incorrect about land breeze? Everybody, which is incorrect about land breeze, sea breeze, and monsoon? Is it A? Okay, look at letter A. Monsoons happen in hot places. B. Monsoons happen from temperature difference in a continent and the ocean. C. Land and sea breeze happen from temperature difference on land and sea. And D. Land and sea breeze happen during the day. Monsoons happen during the night. There is night there. So which is incorrect? Class, incorrect. Which one? Is it A, B, C, or D? Circle the letter of the correct answer. Land and sea breeze happen during the day. Monsoons happen during the night. Is it correct? Okay, if you're finished, please raise your pen so that I will know if it's time to proceed. Okay, very good. Number 2. Number 2, which is correct about the effects of southwest monsoon? This time, which one is correct? Okay, letter A. Southwest monsoon or the sea breeze. Okay, letter A. It brings the rainy season. B. It brings summer. C. It brings winter. Or D. It brings warm air and dry season. Which is correct about monsoon? Okay, just the word monsoon. A, B, C, or D. If you're finished, raise your pen. Okay. Next, number 3. Which happens from an earthquake under the sea? Okay, listen. Number 3. If there is an earthquake under the sea, what will be the natural disaster that will occur? Is it A, tsunami? B, flood? C, thunderstorm? Or D, coastal erosion? Which one, class? Which one? Finished? Finished? Okay, everybody's finished. Next, number 4. Which is correct about sea breeze? Class, which is correct about sea breeze? A, it forms at night. B, it pushes fishing boat into the sea. C, it blows from sea to land. Or D, it forms during the day and at night. Which one is correct? Okay, remember that sea breeze starts from sea going to... Okay, finished? Number 5. Okay, everybody's done. Number 5. Which brings cold, dry air to the north and heavy rainfall to the south of Thailand? Okay, when I say north, class, it is from Mongolia and China. Okay, the keyword is north. Okay, is it A, land breeze, B, sea breeze, C, southwest monsoon, or D, northeast monsoon? What type of monsoon is that? Okay, just choose between C and D. Which one? The keyword is north. Finished? I'm giving you the answers already. Okay, number 6. Number 6. Which wind comes with the seasons? Which wind comes, oh, which winds come from the season? Okay, is it A, land breeze, B, sea breeze, C, monsoon, D, A and B? That is very easy. Okay, and number 7, which is a sign that a tsunami could be coming? A, very hot weather near the sea. B, strong winds near the sea. C, thunderstorms near the sea. Or D, seawater goes up and down very fast. Which one? Okay, everybody's finished? Okay, very good. Next, number 8. What shows an earthquake? Class, what shows an earthquake? A, broken rocks near the sea. B, water flowing from hills to lowlands. C, heavy rainfall. Or D, heavy shaking of the ground. Very easy. Okay, number 9. Which can reduce the harms of landslides? A, planting trees. B, shifting cultivation. C, farming on mountains. Or D, cutting down trees and black flash floods. Which one? A, B, C, or D? Very easy. Raise your pen. Okay, very good. Next, number 10. Number 10, what is a lot of soil, rocks, and clay moving down a slope? A, flood. B, landslide. C, earthquake. D, coastal erosion. Very easy. Next, number 11. Number 11, which is incorrect about greenhouse effect? Which is incorrect, not correct? A, reduces number of animals. B, it destroys habitats of living things. C, it causes global warming. D, it does not affect living things. Which one?
Sure. Less than 1 minute.
Okay, if this will